Want to connect with your customers instantly? Discover how SMS messaging can transform your marketing strategy. In today's fast-paced world, businesses face the challenge of keeping customers engaged. Traditional methods fall short, leading to missed opportunities. SMS messaging offers the solution. It's immediate, cost-efficient, and has impressive open rates. First, SMS enhances customer service by ensuring timely responses. Next, it's easily accessible from any device, reaching a broader audience. Finally, it boasts high engagement rates, increasing customer interaction. Unlike other platforms, SMS doesn't require Wi-Fi, and is compatible with all devices. It stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. Ready to elevate your marketing? Write compelling messages that resonate by personalizing content, keeping it brief, and including a clear call to action. Start leveraging SMS today. Connect with your customers like never before. Act now and see the results.